Hello students, in the previous class we discussed about how to form an equation when roots are diminished or exceeded by a particular value. I shall give you a problem for homework in that, try it out. Find the polynomial equation whose roots are translates of the roots of equation 3x power 5 minus 5x cube plus 7 is equal to 0 by 4. So you have to find out f of x minus 4 is the required equation will be f of x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now you have to do synthetic division with minus 4. When 4 is given, you will take minus 4 and do the synthetic division and find out the new polynomial equation. Now I want you to take down a note. This is about the previous class note. If f of x is equal to p naught x power n p1 x power n minus 1 plus p2 x power n minus 2 so on plus pn is equal to 0, then to eliminate second term f of x is equal to 0 can be transformed to f of x plus h is equal to 0, where h is equal to minus p1 by n into p naught. Now observe this polynomial equation. You have a polynomial equation like this. You have to diminish the second highest term. First highest term is x power n. Second highest term is p1 x power n minus 1. Now you have to find a new equation in which the second term must be missing. In order to find a new equation in which the second highest term is missing, you have to diminish the roots by minus p1 by n into p naught, where p1 is the coefficient of x power n minus 1, p naught is the coefficient of x power n is the degree of the equation. So you have to diminish the roots by minus p1 by n into p naught. Let us look into some problems to understand better. I shall rub this. Transform each of the following equations into ones in which the second highest term power of x is 0 and also find the transformed equation. You have to find a transformed equation. First one, x cube minus 6x square plus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. To remove second highest term, that is we have to remove x square term. Second highest term diminish the roots by minus a1 by n into a naught. What is minus a1? Minus of minus 6 by n. 3 into 1. 6 by 3, which is 2. So you have to diminish the roots with 2. Let us take 2 and diminish the roots. 1 minus 6, 10 minus 3. Take the coefficients 1 minus 6, 10 minus 3. Put 0 here. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 6 minus 4. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 10 minus 8, 2. 2 twos are 4. So here you have 1. Next again take 2. 0, 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Next 2, 0, 1. 2 ones are 2. This will become 0. So this is a0, a1, a2 and a3. Therefore, the required equation is, highest power is what here? X cube. X cube minus 2x, x cube minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here x square term is eliminated with 0. So you get x cube minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Let us discuss the next problem. Here when you get 2, you have to take 2 itself. Right, you should not take minus 2, but you should take 2. Let us discuss the second problem. X power 4 plus 4x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. In order to remove second highest power of x, diminish the roots by minus a1 by n into a0. Here we are trying to remove the cubic term. We need x power 4, x square, 4x and 2, but we need to remove a cubic term here. So what is for that you have to diminish the root by minus a1 by n into a0. What is minus a1? Minus 4 by highest degree is 4, a0 is 1, so you get minus 1. So you have to diminish the roots by minus 1. This consider minus 1, 1, 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 3, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3, minus 1 into minus 3, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Next again minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, you get minus 3, minus 1 into 3, 3, have 0 here. Minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, this is minus 1, which is minus 4. Again take minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 0. So here what is the highest term? X power 4. So a0 a1, a2, a3, a4. So the required polynomial equation, the required equation will be what? You have to start with x4 here. X power 4 minus 4x square plus 1. X power 4 minus 4x square. X cube term is lost. 4x square x term is lost. Plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required polynomial equation. That's about this problem. I shall give you one problem for homework of the similar kind. You try it out. Third question, x cube minus 6x square plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. So I do not want x square term here, only cubic term should be there. So find out the roots in such a way that you have only cubic term and remaining terms if possible, but the square term should be eliminated. What is the formula that you will use? Minus a1 by n into a0. Take that value and start diminishing the roots. You will get the new equation. That's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.